If you haven't tried your egusi soup this way, then you are missing a lot. Yes, you need to try this and then compare to the ones you have ever cooked before, and let me know how much you enjoy this. It is not only when you attend parties or you go to top restaurants you have to enjoy this kind of egusi. This kind of egusi are the ones you can also prepare in your own kitchen and enjoy yourself. Let's get started. Those are the proteins I'll be using. I have turkey there. I have assorted meat. I'm going to add seasoning and seasoning mixture there. Yes. And after that, I'm going to add some salt. Yes, for boiling the meats. After that, I'll add diced onions. To this, I'm not going to use much ingredients for boiling the meat, and I added water immediately. So I'm using this thyme. This is optional, but I love fresh thyme in boiling my meats. I covered it and boiled. Look at it now. You can see for about 20 minutes I boiled this, which I'm very, very okay with the turkey. The meats are not yet done, but the turkey is already okay like this. So I'm just going to take them out of the meat stock. I welcome you all to Tolulicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. If you're a first timer here, please remember to join us. We are happy people here. I covered it and allow it to boil till soft. Now those assorted meat is also done. All I need to do now is to take them out of the meat stock and keep the meat stock. We need it later. Tralala, can you see the boiled meat? Let's move on. In another pot, I'm going to pour blended bell pepper, onions, and habanero pepper. What I have here is the meat stock. Yes, the meat stock is now cold, so I just added it. It doesn't matter if it is cold or hot. I added it now into the pepper mix, and that is stock fish, Panla. I washed it and I added it into it. What I have here is what we called roux, that is locust beans. Yes, add locust beans to your egusi. You will love the result. And what I have here is the seasoning I'll be using for cooking the egusi. I added it into this, and what I have here is salt. I added salt to this, and don't forget we have salt in locust beans and stock fish. Yes, Panla contains a lot of salt as well, so be gentle with it. Now I covered and cooked. That is the blended egusi will be used, the main ingredients for today. What I poured into it now is a bit of meat stock, and I added some water. If you don't have meat stock, you can just add a little bit of salt into this and then mix with some water. Mix gently. We don't want this to be watery. Just let it form to paste like this. Yes, it is super okay. Now let's move on. In another pot, I'll be pouring palm oil. That's the palm oil we're using today because we're going to fry this egusi paste. Okay, for ease of portioning, I dip the spoon into the palm oil, and this will make it easier for me to portion the egusi paste. Yes, we're gonna fry this. You have to fry this both sides. Just try to move it gently. Don't scatter it at this stage. All right. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my subscribers, my followers. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for the likes, sharing of my videos, for your comments. They mean a lot to me. Newcomers, leave a comment. Let me know you are there. Thank you. So let's check our pepper mix. It is cooking and boiling. Yes, it's now time to add the boiled meat into it. If you have watched this video up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch up to the end so that you will not miss any part of this special egusi. Thank you so much. Place your hand on the subscribe, on the follow, and of course on the like, and leave a comment. Let me appreciate you. God bless you. So now those proteins are now in the pepper mix. I just mix them gently together for them to know themselves, and after that I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook together. So for about 7 to 10 minutes they've been cooking together. It's now time to mix them gently. So it's now time to introduce the fried egusi into the sauce. They now have to become one. Yes, the egusi and the sauce are now coming together. That means you're gonna need a bigger pot. It's either the sauce into the egusi if you use a bigger pot to fry it, or you pour the egusi into the sauce. But when they come together, of course the volume will be increased. Yes, from frying this egusi, you will know the aroma that it will be giving you will definitely show how this is going to be. So after that, I sprinkled some diced onions on top of it and I covered it and let them cook. Yes, you have to be opening this and be stirring occasionally until your egusi and your sauce are well cooked. All right, let your egusi get done. Be gentle with it until the egusi get done, and then you can get a spoon if you still want to check if you have some of those lumps in it. Yes, those are the results we are waiting for, all this lumpy egusi. Now taste for salt and seasoning and then adjust. Okay, so I covered it and allow it cook more. So let's prepare our vegetables. I'll be using spinach because of the water the spinach contains. To reduce it, pour some hot water on it, allow it to drain, rinse with cold water, and then squeeze a bit out of the water out of it because I don't want the egusi to get watery. And then add the vegetables into your egusi. Feel free to use any other kind of vegetables like ugu, like oziza, and which other leaves will we have? We have water leaves, but I have spinach, and you can just do what I've just done now. You will love the results. Now give them a good mix together. Look at our lumpy egusi. Lovelies, this egusi is done, but now that we've added some vegetable into it, allow them to simmer together for about 5 minutes, and then your egusi is done. Omo, what are you rocking with this? Let me know. Do you want to rock pounded yam, fufu, amala, even rice? There is nothing you cannot rock with egusi. Let me show you mine. Oh, my Sandy girl, now you know what I go rock now. Real pounded yam. Oh, you gotta try this. Give this a try, and don't forget to come back and give me the feedback. This helps a lot, and I want to know how much you enjoy this. I love this. It's not only when you attend parties, you gotta make yourself happy. Cook this. They're so easy. Follow this process, prepare it, and enjoy your egusi in a special way. This is super delicious. Everyone enjoyed it, and you know what, they all took home the recipe. That's why I brought it for you all. Thanks for watching.